and welcome back to my channel. As always, I am Matt from Cleveland Sex Therapy. I'm a licensed clinical therapist and ASEX certified sex therapist. Because you all loved my first video on this topic, today we are continuing with even more tips on how to give the perfect blowjob. And before anyone panics, let me say this clearly. Perfect does not mean performative, does not mean porn, it does not mean pushing your body past what feels good for you. Perfect means connected, intentional, and mutually enjoyable. So let's get into it. First up, presence matters more than technique. One of the biggest things partners report is not something someone did with their mouth, but how present they felt. Eye contact when it feels comfortable, hands staying connected, slowing down when someone feels desired, not rushed. The experience changes entirely. Presence builds arousal in a way technique alone could never. Second tip, please use your hands intentionally. This is not about doing more, it's about creating rhythm and consistency. Hands can reduce strain, increase comfort, and help regulate pacing. And it can take some of the work away from the mouth. Think of your mouth and hands as a team rather than one trying to do all the work. Third tip, moan. For the love of God, moan. Moaning is not just performative. When it is authentic, it actually helps regulate the nervous system. Gentle vocalization can stimulate the vagus nerve, which plays a major role in relaxation, connection, and pleasure. Slow exhales, low sounds, and letting your voice respond naturally can help your body stay relaxed and engaged rather than tense or performative. This can increase blood flow, deepen arousal, and create a stronger sense of connection between partners. Think of moaning less as something you do for someone and more as a way of staying embodied and present in your own pleasure. Next up, pay attention to breath and tension. If your jaw or throat feels tense, your body is giving you feedback. That matters. Adjust positions, take breaks, use breathing to stay relaxed. Pleasure should not come at the expense of your body. A relaxed body communicates safety and confidence. All right, as we keep going with the tips, communication is hot. This can be verbal or nonverbal. Sounds, pressure changes, pulling back slightly, checking in, a simple like this can deepen intimacy rather than break the moment. Mind reading is overrated. Curiosity is sexy. Another tip that I think is important here is that there is no universal blueprint. Every body responds differently. What one partner loves, another may not. The goal is to not master a move. The goal is to stay curious about the person in front of you. Exploration beats performance every single time. And finally, you are allowed to enjoy yourself too. If giving pleasure feels like a chore, something needs to shift. Pleasure is mutual. Your comfort, desire, and boundaries matter just as much as your partner's experience. So if you take anything away from this video, let it be this. The perfect blowjob is not about doing it right. It is about being connected, responsive, and embodied in the moment. As always, if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe and drop a comment below on your thoughts about these tips. And as always, cheers, and I will see you next time.